Welcome back student. Today we are going to have brainstorming over electric circuit and circuit diagram. Electric circuit and circuit diagram. My dear student, we are having brainstorming upon electric circuit. Electric circuit. Let's study the definition of electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous path consisting of conducting wire and other resistance between the terminals of a battery along with which the current flows is called electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous path consisting of conducting wire and other resistance between the terminals of a battery along which the current flow is called as electric circuit. My dear student, electric circuit is a continuous path having conducting wire and other resistance between the two terminals of a battery along which the current flows. The electric circuit can be represented by drawing a circuit diagram. My dear student, if you want to show electric circuit and different components connected in electric circuit and the connecting wire, then we can show it by drawing circuit diagram. But my dear student, what is circuit diagram? A diagram which indicate how different electric components have been connected in a circuit by using electrical symbols for the electrical components is called as circuit diagram. My dear student, we can represent electric circuit by drawing circuit diagram. The diagram which tells us how different electrical components are connected in a electric circuit by using electrical symbols is called as a circuit diagram. A circuit diagram consists of different components and a connecting wire represented in the form of symbol. Let's study one example of circuit diagram. My dear student, this is an example of circuit diagram. My dear student, when we connect a potential difference in a connecting wire, then current flows through the circuit. And this is a circuit diagram represented electric circuit. So, in order for the current to flow through this electric circuit, we had to apply a potential difference. A potential difference is an electric cell and it is denoted by this symbol. The electric cell consists of two terminals, one positive terminal and another negative terminal. The positive terminal is considered to be at high potential and negative terminal is said to be at low potential. The symbol used for the electric cell is shown on the board. It consists of two terminals. one positive terminal and negative terminal. The positive terminal line is shown and a negative terminal line is shown. The positive terminal is marked by plus and negative terminal is marked by minus. The positive terminal line is longer in length than the negative terminal line. My dear student, the second thing which we have to consider while drawing the circuit diagram is that you have to show the direction of flow of electric current. And we also know that the electric current always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. So we will show the flow of in the circuit diagram with the help of arrow. When the current flow in a circuit, we can measure this current, and the device which is used to measure the current is ammeter. Ammeter is always connected in a series. My dear student, you should always keep in mind that whenever we show ammeter in a circuit diagram, it should always be connected in a series. The another component shown in the circuit diagram is a zigzag line and it is called as resistor. Now we can measure the potential difference across this resistor by attaching it with a voltmeter. This voltmeter which measures the potential difference between the two ends of the resistor is always connected parallel to the resistor. This is the voltmeter and it is connected parallel to the resistor. My dear student, while connecting both these devices, that is ammeter and a voltmeter, we should keep two things in mind. First, ammeter is always connected in a series and voltmeter is always connected parallel to the resistors. We also have to consider the connection of ammeter and voltmeter. The positive end of a ammeter should be marked along with the positive end of a cell, and the next terminal in the ammeter will be negative. In the same way, the positive terminal of the cell and the positive terminal of voltmeter should be marked carefully, and then another end of the voltmeter will have negative sign. My dear student, we are studying electric circuit. What is electric circuit? A continuous path consisting of conducting wire and different resistors connected to the both the end of the battery, through which the current flow is called as, you can say, electric circuit. The electric circuit can be represented by a diagram which indicate us how different electrical components are connected in a circuit by using electrical symbol is called as circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram drawn on a paper will have electrical components or electric components represented by a symbol. The cell can be represented by a symbol. While representing a cell, you have to correctly mark the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the cell. In a circuit diagram, you should correctly mark the flow of direction of electric current in the circuit, and the electric current always flow from the positive end to the negative end, and this you have to show with the help of an arrow. Different components such as ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current and it is always connected in a series. The positive terminal and the positive terminal of ammeter and the positive terminal of the cell is correctly marked as shown in the diagram, and the negative terminal will proceed. Then the next device which is connected to the circuit diagram is voltmeter. We use voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the resistors. The resistor is shown by zigzag line in the diagram, and the potential difference across these resistors is measured by voltmeter, and voltmeter is always connected parallel to the resistor. Again, one thing we have to carefully mark, that is the positive sign of the voltmeter and the positive sign of the electric cell, and the negative sign of the electric cell and the negative sign of the voltmeter should be correctly marked as shown in the diagram. So my dear student, this was regarding circuit diagram. Thank you very much.